here just as your foot goes to the brake. A little bit closer. So you're just pulling up and parking beside it sort of thing, right?
Right.
At a mall, just leaving me enough room to get out. If I could touch the car, you're too close. That's ideal. That's
Okay, perfect.
Look at that. That's right on.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was a full turn.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait. Wrong way. That's
There you go. Okay, good. And you're in reverse. They see that your backup lights, your white lights are on, and so they're going around you. Perfect. Yep.
I want to make sure I don't hit the curb.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm good here.
Awesome. Right on, man.
Turn.
Yeah. There, you see the difference?
Yeah, I'm a lot closer than
Yeah.
I was the last time.
Yeah, this is textbook. I mean, perfect.
Okay.
Picture perfect.
And park.
Yep. And
Done.
look at that.
Is it
Right,
right?
your two tires are right on that seam where they should be. That's awesome. Did we get out of the car so I could show you the space that you have between
No, I
the
don't
two
think
vehicles? Okay, come on outside. Just be careful. Shoulder check.
So. Yeah, make sure no one's gonna take the door off.
Yeah, exactly. So sometimes just getting out of the vehicle, it kind of shows you just how much space you actually do have.
Yeah.
Because when you're sitting inside the vehicle, your perception of things might be just slightly distorted
Yeah.
a bit.
Okay.
See? You're sitting here. It looks like
Yeah.
you're going to hit the car.
Yeah.
But you know now, just by having gone outside to take a look.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
That I know, like, okay.
Yeah. Okay, when you're ready.
Signal. Make sure. I'll just wait for that guy to go.
Okay, if you decide to do that, turn your signal off so he doesn't think that you're going to turn out in front of him. Because right now, to him now, it looks like you're just parked here.
Right. Good to go.
Good to go.
Yeah, when you're parked here, it looks so much closer.
Yeah.
Than...
But that gives you confidence when you get out
Yeah.
and look at the space you have.
Definitely does, for sure.
And let's make a left turn here.